I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we will explore the graph of cos of minus theta. The question is, explain steps to sketch the graph of y equals to cos of minus theta. So if we are not given any restrictions on domain, we'll assume that theta belongs to real numbers, right? Real numbers. So let us see how to sketch this particular graph. Now what I will do here is, let us say this is our coordinate plane, x and y axis. I will start with the graph of cos of theta, right? So let me sketch cos theta first, one wave. So I'll sketch one wave. Normally cos of theta could be sketched like this. So that is my one wave of cosine function. When I say one wave, that means we start with maximum, go to 0, minimum -1, which will be at half the cycle of 180 degrees, and then 0, and then maximum at at 360 degrees. Perfect, right? So this is, let us say, one cycle at 360 degrees completed, right? Starting with 0. Now when I say cos of minus theta, it means what? Cos of minus theta means reflection on y-axis, right? Reflection on y-axis. So basically, if I reflect this wave, I get cos of minus theta. So let me sketch cos of minus theta as a reflection on y-axis. So that means this point remains here, that point is reflected, you get there, this point -1, and then maximum somewhere there, right? So we could get a graph of a function which will be kind of, and this point crossing here, so let me just go like this, and perfect, somewhere there it ends, right? So we get this part of the graph, which I'm saying cos of minus theta. Correct. Now if you can clearly see, if I extend this cosine function, it just overlaps. Do you see that? It overlaps. So what do you notice? You notice that cos of minus theta is basically equals to cos of theta, right? So both are exactly same graph. You know, cos is an even function, right? Cos is an even function, and we know that if y equals to cos of minus theta, then it is equals to cosine theta, and therefore we get exactly the same graph. 90 degrees minus 180, right? So that is how you could actually easily sketch the negative angles for the trigonometric function, right? So my recommendation for such graphs is, to begin with, we could actually start with y equals to cos of minus theta. We could write this as y equals to cosine theta and sketch cosine graph directly, right? So that is what I recommend, until and unless we have to show all the steps in some restricted domain, right? Then it's a different story. But generally, cos of minus theta is cos theta, and what you get is the basic primary cosine function as shown here. I hope you appreciate. Thank you and all the best.